in Alcobar, and I wish all the contestants for the OFW Got Talent Alcobar and OFW Got Talent Bahrain all the best. I know the contestants are here getting ready for the competition. All the best. And I also wish to thank all the participating booths around in the bazaar, as well as the businesses that are here for supporting this event. And of course, our partner also in all this endeavor. Kung wala yung venue, wala po tayo ngayon. So, thank you to the management of Oasis Mall, Jofer. Okay, maraming salamat. And I hope na marami sa mga kababayan natin ang masasayaan sa programang ito. So I will not take more of your time, and please enjoy. And I hope that this evening will really be productive for all of us. And may it help further build community. No? Yun yung pinaka-importante, why we get together. Not only to, to enjoy and